ready to give this a try. The rice looks amazing. I'm gonna make a biryani, which is basically just a baked rice dish. It's going to have some jackfruit and some tofu and a bit of a curry mix in it. So come along and let's give it a go. I've defrosted this jackfruit, put this into the pan. I'll pull them apart so that they're not just quite so chunky. Grate up some ginger, garlic as well. Break up some firm tofu. I'll just break this up into little bits. Slice up half a red onion. I've got this Massaman curry mix. Most of these curry mixes that you can buy have milk in them. This one doesn't. Cardamom and cinnamon and cloves and some chilli, which will be good, and some coconut cream. Then I've also got some oyster mushrooms. Rip these up into the dish just so that it adds another nice texture as well. So we'll mix this up now. Pop this into the oven so that the onions can cook off a little bit. I'm just gonna make a dressing that goes over the top of everything at the end. So I've got the juice and zest of a lemon, some of this soy yogurt. If I had plain soy yogurt, I'd use that, but I've only got this vanilla one. So 2 tablespoons of that, 1/4 cup of cashews, a teaspoon of miso paste, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, do a good grind of pepper. I'm gonna make it green, so I'll add some coriander leaves and some mint. That looks incredible. Add a little bit of water to this and just to thin it out. Now I've got some basmati rice, 3 cups of that. Pop that into here. I'm gonna add the liquid as well. In the water, I'm going to add some chicken style stock cubes, so these are vegan. So we'll mix all this together, pour this sort of stock mix over the top. I'll give this one more mix, some sultanas over the top, a handful of cashews. I'll put some alfoil over the top and put it back in the oven. And that'll be in there for about 20 minutes. Rice is in the oven. I'm just going to make a salad, starting off with some lettuce, purple cabbage, celery, fennel, beans, capsicum, carrots, tomatoes, ripe avocado. Just mingle the layers a little bit. I've got a bunch of mandarins in the fridge, so I decided that that would be a good addition to my salad. I've got some mint and some fennel and some coriander. Chop it all up so that it's ready to go over the top of the rice when it's done. Let's see how we did. Woo! Fluff it up a bit. I'll put a bit of the herbs over the top to cheer it up. I love it when rice clumps together and it gives you that sort of mouth feel. The tofu is really good in there as well. And I love basmati rice. Well, if you're looking for something that is just sort of a one pot dish, it's really easy. So I highly recommend you give it a try.